Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing new Thai visas versus old Thai visas. And what we're talking about here, as we've discussed, the so-called long-term residence visa has been rolled out here recently. Again, it's not technically a residence visa. It's just a really long non-immigrant visa. But yeah, that has been rolled out recently. We have also in the past, we've seen, really in the grand scheme of things, the Thailand Elite visa is only 5-6 years old as far as active usage. It goes back a lot further due to the fact that it was created probably 20 years ago, something like that. But then it kind of fell into disuse. They thought they were going to scrap the program. Then they turned around and sort of revived it, and now it's currently in the form that we know it. But it's kind of a newer visa. And then you've got things like the Smart Visa, and now again this LTR. And the question posed by this video is it, are the new ones better than the classic ones? In a sense, it's an exercise in comparison. So, my opinion, one of the big major pros of the classic Thai visas is they oftentimes can put somebody on the path to permanent residence, specifically Thai business visas, classic Thai business visas, and Thai O marriage visas. Both of those types of visas can place, again, if all circumstances are right and they meet all the requirements, either of those visas could place somebody on the track for true permanent residence in Thailand, which may open up the way for naturalization to Thai citizenship. So again, it's the old Thai visas are quite beneficial in that respect. Now, meanwhile, yes, there are a number of benefits being touted by some of the new visas. I hesitate to go through all of them in detail because, frankly, I don't think it's been fully shaken out whether or not all of these so-called benefits are even going to be feasible. But one major one that I will say is there, and it's pretty clear to me that it's a solid benefit that you can bank on, you're going to have it, is attachment of work authorization in the visa, which with the Smart Visa and some of the LTR visas, yeah, there will be work authorization attached in there, or supposedly with the LTRs there will be. Meanwhile, though, that can have its own kind of issues because sometimes they actually want a work permit, not just work authorization, and they are two different things. Work authorization is not necessarily a work permit per se. I probably should do another video on that topic just specifically. But yeah, to take away from this video, there are pros and cons to either. With the classic visas, you're generally looking at a renewal on a yearly basis. With these other newer visas, you may not need to do renewals quite so often, but it's going to be circumstantially dependent.